Morning, Nikhil.
Good morning, sir.
Tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Pani Nikhil Kumar. I am from Narsopet. I pursued a bachelor degree in the stream of computer science and engineering. Along with my studies, I have done some certifications on Coursera and NPTEL. According to my family, my father name is Shankar Babu, my mother name is Aruna, and I have one brother. His name is Akhil. Coming to my project, I have done many projects in my when I pursuing my degree. I have done online voting system and no broker apps and some other projects on that. And recently, I joined in the CTech software.